Ah, finally opening some more Ascended Heroes with a new set. Mega Feraligatr EX and Mega Boar EX. These were not easy to find. We have the jumbo cards. And as you can actually see, I actually forgot to take all the packages. I only have 7 packages for some reason. So, yeah. It's interesting. Second pack. Pikachu. Zekrom. Riolu. Ooh! Mega attack rare. Come on, strong start, strong start. Gevo, Carbank, and Okidogi. Third pack. Pokepad. Camerupt. Raichu. Mega Audino EX. Let's go, come on. It's a strong start. Ooh! SIR! Bellybolt. Finally first SIR in Ascended Heroes. It's very strong, very strong. Scraggy. Raboot. Mega Meganium EX. Come on. This has been the best set so far. And some last pack magic. Come on. Snorunt, Skitty, Monkidori. Wow, strong, strong.